Technology is rapidly driving the world, and digital marketing has become a source for the businesses to seek possible results. However, there is still a need for traditional practices to approach a prospect or company through a business card. A card that comprises a company name or logo, designation, contact details, and giver's name is called the business card. The business card's actual uses are to transfer the contact details of the giver to the receiver. Right business cards are the best source to build a network with people or businesses. For example, if you want to approach someone in your industry, you can directly exchange your business cards to network with them. Important elements of business cards to be included. Logo. The business logo is the only thing which differentiates your business card from competitors. It is essential that the business logo defines who we are and what we do. Business tagline. Not all company names and business logos are obvious about their offers. Most of the companies in the beginning settle for general name and logo. However, a tagline can compensate for the logo and the name. Captions or taglines should be catchy and easy to remember. Name it as simple as possible. The name on the business card may not always be formal. It could be informal too. Times are changing, and we need to gear up our standards to the current ongoing trends. Instead of using surname or middle name, you can use your first name to make it more appealing. Summary or job title. This is one of the essential points to be included in the business card. Along with your name in the business card, include the job title. This helps clarify your position and your work in the company. For example, the job title for the Director of First Impression is used for a receptionist, but nobody understands her role and responsibility. Instead, we can use Director of First Impression Receptionist for clear understanding. Contact number. If we do not specify the contact number, then most of people will ignore your business card. Professionals who use their number in their business card should manage their personal and professional life. If people don't want to include their number, they can customize by adding O office and M mobile to manage, and whoever wants to contact you will get frustrated when you don't attend the call in apart from business hours. Contact through text. When you give an option text on the business card, it will be easy for people to contact you through text when you're not in a position to attend the call. Many people try to confirm through a text message, so it is a choice in the business cards to mention call or text. Location. When it is an organization, it is okay to mention the office address. The current freelancing works and work from home opportunities have made the location name in the business cards irrelevant. If you do not want to mention any office address, try to put the city name. Whoever is having the card with them can understand the company's location. Web address. People look into the company's web address in your customized business cards if they want to look up your company. That's the reason in business card it is essential to mention web address of the company. Leave some space. We usually see that some business cards are filled with information, and there will not be any space at all. This kind of cards are boring and may not cause the desiring impact. Instead, if we make some space in the business card, it will make the audience feel free to read. When you give space in the business cards, people have the criteria to note down something particularly about your company. In conclusion, the above information on business cards will help you design a business card best suited for your business. Business cards are the right way to introduce yourself, your business, and connect with many prospects, leading to an incredibly successful journey. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.